everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Plush here, Plush World, and I'm also known by the name Jimmy. So today I just want to show you how to achieve a flawless foundation look, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a really huge thumbs up at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall be seeing you in my next one. Thank you. Bye for now. So guys, as you can tell, I've already filled in my brows, and I used the LIPLI concealer in shade Toffee for my brows, and my face has already been primed. There you go. And today for my foundation, I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris, the True Match. I'll be using shade 8N, the Cappuccino, and that's what I'll be using today. Foundation done, and I'm happy with this. I'm just going to jump right into contouring my face, and now I'll be using the same concealer I used for my brows, but for the dark part I'll be using this Sleek contour kit right here. So guys, to set my contour, I'll be using the TECHNIC Superfine translucent powder. Now, I just have to put this out there. I have tried different setting powders, but they just tend to like leave some kind of cast on my face that I don't like. I don't know, maybe I've just been getting the wrong shades. I don't know, but since I got this, I haven't used anything else. This is basically all I've been using to set my face, and it works really well for me. So at the moment, this product works really well for me, and yeah. So guys, like I said before, I don't like to bake my face for too long, so I'll be using my MAC Fix Studio in shade NC45. If you can see. So guys, for my eyeshadow, I just want to keep it simple, nothing too serious. So I'll be using Revolution, and just gonna start off with the lightest shade in this collection. In with a smaller brush, but I'm still really comfortable with this one I'm using. So if you're not comfortable with a bigger one, you can always use whatever brush you're comfortable with. And guys, I've got some videos and pictures that are not here on YouTube, on Instagram. So if you can please follow me on Instagram so you don't miss a thing. And that's at plush world 16. Yeah, at plush world 16. So you can see what I'm up to when I'm not here. So guys, I am going back in with another palette from Makeup Revolution London, and this one, if you can see right there, yeah, intensely pigmented foil shadow palette. This one is called. So I just need to decide on what shade I want, and I think I'm going to go with this one right here, right? I'm gonna start off with my finger, then I'll blend it in. It's gorgeous. I love it. Just gonna set my face. Well, I've just done. So I have got this beautiful highlight here that I really like. So if I'm not using my fainter one and other ones I've got, I use this one. It's another product from TECHNIC. I love it. It's called Get Gorgeous. It's a great shade. It's just bronze highlighting powder. That's what this one is called, and I really like it. I really do. This is what it looks like. Oh. Yeah, so beautiful. And again, you don't need a lot of it. You just need to dab in like that. See, barely there. Oh Lord, it's beautiful. It is really beautiful, guys. I don't like to just go in right there on my chin. I like to just make like some sort of V shape and then putting my eyeliner on like that. As you can tell, I'm not using a lot. And I'm going in with a really small brush. So guys, as of yet, I'm still not sure if I want to wear lashes because to be honest with you, I'm not going anywhere. So I'm still thinking, I don't know yet, but I'm just going to do my lashes, my own natural lashes, just gonna color them up. So I'm using, I don't know if you can see this, MUA Makeup Academy. So I'm using the long lasting Quo mascara. on my own natural lashes. So I brush my lashes out first before curling, because my lashes are kind of curly anyways, so I just like to brush them out first. So I'm going to repeat the same process on my lashes. So this is what I do when I don't plan to wear false lashes. I try to just, you know, make sure my lashes are popping, my own lashes are popping, so that way nothing is missing. But if you're going out and you want to have the same look, I'll suggest you wear false lashes just to complete the look. Yeah. I love it. I love what I'm seeing, to be honest with you. And I'm just going to do my bottom lashes as well, just to open up my eyes a bit more, make my eyes pop, if that makes any sense. So there you go. And I'm just going to use my eyeliner. I'm trying not to blink. Or even look down. I need everything to dry up. So I'm using my waterproof eyeliner. I really can't tell you the name. It's not. Can't see anything. I use a lot of random stuff, random products. Like, I would not spend a lot of money on something that I know a cheaper product could achieve. Like, if that makes any sense. Just because it's cheap doesn't mean it doesn't work. Don't go crazy like me. I'm making some crazy moves right now around my eye, especially. I do not advise anyone to be that crazy when they're dealing with their eyes. I am in a hurry, that's why. And am I happy with my eyes right now? Yes, I am. And I'm just gonna use another round of setting spray. So guys, I'm going in with this matte lippy from N.8 in shade, let's see if you can see that. Can you see that, guys? So guys, I've got this amazing lip gloss here. It's from L'Oreal and it's Dazzle, and it dazzles for real, guys. So it's in shade 210. Disco Ball is called. And yeah, I've been using this for the past few days and I'm loving it. I am absolutely loving it. Can you see that? Mm. Yeah, and this is the finished look. But I'm just gonna go right ahead to style my hair and I will be back. Okay, and I hope I haven't bored you too much, and I'll be back. Hi guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you like it and I just want to thank you for sticking around till the end of this video. I do appreciate your time, and thumbs up this video please guys, like this video and leave your lovely comments down below. And yeah, you can subscribe to my channel please, and also you can follow me on Instagram at blushworld16. And yes, I would really do appreciate that. Thank you again for your time and I shall see you in my next one. Bye for now.